Hello friends, I'm Chalaka Kale. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we learn French, German, foreign languages. Okay. So in the last video, I have taught you about possessive adjectives and how we make the sentences using possessive adjectives. We have seen that. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you the possessive adjectives for the third person and the furthermore. Okay. So in the last video, as we have seen, monma me, tontate. Now today we are going to study sonsa se. It means the third person. How to make the sentences using sonsa se. That is, son is for masculine, sa is for feminine, and se is for plural. Okay. So let's continue. I'll share a file with you. Okay. So our topic is possessive adjectives. We are continuing with the same topic what we have seen last time. Okay. So today I'll tell you for son, sa, and say. These three adjectives we're gonna study. As I told you, in English we call it pronoun, and in French we call it adjectives, possessive adjectives. Okay. So means his or her. Okay. Now I'm making a sentence for son. Son père, his father. What you are possessing, the person or anything that should be masculine in gender. As father, père, this word is masculine in gender. So I'm using son because I'm possessing that word. When I want to say, his bag, his brother. So all the nouns, what I'm talking about should be masculine in gender. So I can say son père et Kaufmann. Oh, sorry, a homme d'affaires. It happens when I teach French, sometimes German words come. Kaufmann is a German word actually. So when my German badges have more German words comes in my mind. Okay. So homme d'affaires is a businessman. Homme means a man of business. That is homme d'affaires. Homme d'affaires. His father is a businessman. See, again, try to understand what you're possessing, right? What you will possess, that should be masculine in gender. Then only you can use so. In case of sa, what will do? In case of sa, when I want to say, for example, I'll say mother, I'll say sister, I'll say anything which is feminine in gender. If I say textbook is masculine in gender. So when I want to say about textbook something, then again I'll use so, because textbook, that word son livre. Livre means textbook. Livre, livre. Livre, even though it is having e at the end, it is an exception in the French language. It is masculine in gender. As I said, how to identify the gender: when it is having e, it is feminine. When it is not having e, it is masculine most of the time. But there are some exceptions also. So livre is an exception. So livre. So livre, the, you can say, mathematic. Mathematic means maths. In case of foreign language, many of the words are same like English, because all the languages base is Latin language, and French and German and English we have derived from the Latin. So mathematic, in French it is mathematic. In English we took only maths or mathematics. The spelling is different. In French it should be QUE. Okay, so this livre word is a masculine gender, so I'm taking so. Okay, same in case of sa, what I'll do? In case of sa, I'll say any feminine now. I'll say sa sir, sa mère. Sac means bag. Bag is also a masculine word, so I cannot take it for sa. I can say sa maison. Maison is a feminine word, so I can take it. Okay, so first we'll make for sa sir. His or her sister. Now the meaning of so is also his and her. The meaning of sa is also his and her. It depends on the person you're talking about. If it is a girl, you're telling something, possession of something. Sa, sir, So we'll say her sister. Son père, his father. Sa sœur, a belle. Belle means beautiful. Okay. Ça c'est rebelle. Again, we can say sa maison. Maison means home, house. Sa maison est grande means big. His house is big. Now see, this grande is a feminine word. As it is feminine word, so this grande adjective will also take e at that. That you should keep in mind. So sa se, I hope you understand. It means her house is big. Okay. Even when you want to say his house is big, so you will not put so, because house is feminine. So it depends on whom you are talking about. It will always take the reference in the beginning about a boy or girl you are talking about, and then you will say his or her house is big. It is the both. Okay. After son sa se, I'll go for the different one. The next row about about the possessive adjective is notre. Notre, notre, no. Notre means are, masculine are, feminine are, and then plural. Notre, notre, no. So the three meanings of this: one we are going to use for feminine, one we are going to use for masculine, and one we are going to use for the plural of both the nouns. I'll tell you. See what happens when we are speaking about notre. Then we can say our father. Notre père est Philippe. Our father is Philip. Okay. It means the siblings are talking about the father whose name is Philip. Then we'll say notre mère also. For notre is same for masculine, same for feminine. Notre mère est Ellen. For example, we are talking about our mother whose name is Ellen. Okay, the kids are talking about the mother whose name is Ellen. Then their quantity or their quality or their something we are talking. Nos parents means our parents. So notre is also our father is Philip, our mother is Ellen, and our parents, we'll say something about it. Notre parents sont les, any surname we can talk about, our Sharmas, our Vermas, our Aubry. Aubry is a famous surname. You can mostly use a French surname, I'm telling. Okay. So this you can use les Aubries, les Sharmas, les Vermas in Indian names. Okay. Notre, no. So what we have seen in the beginning, we have seen so. Before that, we have seen mon me, means my, masculine my, feminine my, and plural my. Then son sa say his or her, his or her, his or her. Okay. Then notre is r, notre for feminine is r, and no for plural is also r. So meaning of the three will be same, only the gender will get changed. Okay. According to gender you will take, and some new nouns I told you, livre is an exception in French, even though it is having e, it is masculine in gender. So okay, so this is in the next video. Again, we'll see the further possessive adjectives. There are actually 18 total. So we have seen 2 rows yesterday in the last video, sorry, and 2 rows today. Son sa se, notre, no. How you can learn in one shot is mon mame, tota te, son sa se, notre, no. Okay, so you can say son père, son frère, even you can say son ami, his or her friend. Okay, when a girl is a friend, you will say ami will take e at the end. When a boy is a friend, ami only masculine. We can add this example. It's a nice example which came in my mind. I'll write here. For son, I'll say so ami. Now see here it is a boy. So I'll say so ami a. I'll say Amit. My friend is Amit. After that, I'll go for the feminine. Sa ami. It means his or her friend. Sa ami a Neha or Nisha. Okay, any name you can take. Sa ami. After that, you can say any names. Say ami, his or her friends. Ami will take S in case of plural. Okay. When ami is a boy or masculine in gender, then it will not take e at the end. When ami is a feminine in gender, you're talking about some girl who is a friend, then you will put e after ami. Okay, so I hope you understand this topic. So See you in the next video. Thanks. If you want to learn foreign language, especially if you want to learn French or German, you can contact me. And please do like, share, and subscribe. Okay. What things you would like to learn from me, you can write in the comment box. Okay. That will really, help me and motivate me. So I'll just stop the screen share. Okay, guys. See you in the next video. Okay. See you.